So now we're level 3. So if you see we have 125, but we won't get those buff points. Oh, whoops. Way too many buff points. Or 125 here. And see we won't get the buff points because we are multiplying our main level by 125, which will give us the EXP needed to level up. So if we multiply our 125 times 3, which is 375, there we go. It will give us our buff points. But as you can see, there's a small glitch here, is that if we never use those buff points, and we just keep typing in 375, 375, we are now power leveling our other stats, which is not a good thing, because this will cause ridiculously high-level players, and it's just not going to turn out too great. So what we can do is we're going to create a boolean or a bool in C#. Checks for buff from level. No, we're not going to do a public. Oh yeah, we are. Public bool got B for level equals false. And the first thing I'm going to show you that makes Unity really nice whenever just writing out scripts is we're going to go back over here, and whenever we go to our player, it will make, for true or false, it will actually put us a checkbox. That's true, that's false, that's true, that's false. Simple enough. So that was a nice thing that Unity added. I'm going to go ahead and write that out. And what we can do now is in our level for EXP, we're going to have to add another if statement. And it's going to be if got buff for level equals false, then it's going to run through that if statement below. And then we're going to go under our EXP equals 0, and we're going to do got buff for level equals true. Okay. So now, once it's called through all of that, then we're going to have to wow, I can't think right now. It's like 1:11 in the morning. Sorry, guys. But I'm gonna pause the video and get my words straight. Okay, I've rethought through how our leveling system works, and what I'm gonna do is in our level up method, I'm actually going to add our main level. We're gonna add 1 to it for leveling up. And in our level for EXP, then we are, no, not in our level for EXP, calculate level. We're just going to take this out, pretty much. So that way, we can just use our stats for actual uses, like later in the game, like to get past some obstacles. You need a higher dexterity, like say it's a puzzle, or if it's just moving a boulder out of the way or something. We've got our strength. So that will be fine. So we're going to go ahead and test this little theory real quick. And it says I have an error, unassigned local variable level. And, oh, that's because level isn't assigned to anything. So we're going to have to take out our calc level and make our main level automatically start at 1. So now I gotta get back through, get rid of our calc level methods. And I think that's it. Okay, save. Now we don't have any errors. Play. And you can see that we did start at level 90. That is because we are on level 1. So I need to go back over here because I would like to have a base of 100 for the player whenever they start up. So that's doing main level. So apparently our main level is equaling 0, and I remember why it's doing that now. That's because we are having it to say that we have our things pre-assigned, like we have main level equals 1, like already assigned in the game. So now we have 100. And once we get 125 EXP, level 2. But as you can see, we did not get our bonus 10 HP. So let's stop this, go back over here, and let's look at our level up. And that's our problem. Max. No. We need to have it right here for our calc max HP. Start our game. Boost them up 125 EXP. And there we go. We got our level added to it along with our 10 HP. So that is awesome. And I think that I've wore out you guys enough with scripting that you probably never want to do it again. But that'll be alright. But before we stop scripting for a second, we are going to go up to here and we can get rid of this boolean now. So it doesn't have the power buffing through all this, so to speak. And we're going to go to our, right here. Is it already gone? Did I delete it? No, it's right here. There we go. Save, and there we go. Because we had an unneeded boolean in there, which is not good. And apparently I didn't delete all of them. There we go. My bad. Okay. Now what we're going to work on now is our actual materials and textures. I know that I did go over this with you guys on the forum, but I'm going to go ahead and redo this with you guys. So I will be right back because I'm going to take a quick break and I'm going to try and wake back up because it's pushing 120. And I'm going to go get some textures and materials. And I will be giving these textures and materials to you guys on the forum post. Like, you can just right click, save as. There you go. So I'll be back in a minute.